You need to hear this if you're a car enthusiast. Thinking about dyeing your leather steering wheel? It might seem like a quick fix, but here's the deal. Many DIYers find that within a year, the dye starts coming off on their hands. Not exactly the look you were going for, right? At Craft Customs, we hear this story all the time. Folks end up sending us their steering wheels, desperate to get that factory new feel again. Why? Because the steering wheel is the most touched and seen part of your car. A worn-out wheel makes your whole ride feel old. But here's the good news. Our professional reupholstery service can make your steering wheel look brand new, like it just rolled off the assembly line. Trust us, your car deserves it. Visit craftcustoms.com and give your car the upgrade it needs. Your hands and your ride will thank you. Experience the Craft Customs difference at craftcustoms.com.